Today we're going to be sharing how you can turn mini pumpkins into candle holders. First, I just laid some paper down and then I got my pumpkins together. I got these ones at a local farmer's market. Then you'll just break the stem off the top of the mini pumpkin, and then you can find a drill bit that matches the size of your taper candle and drill in through the top of the pumpkin. If the hole in the top ends up being a little bit too big, or it's just too much gushy pumpkin guts going on inside, you can use paper towel or some tin foil to stuff it and get your candle to sit up straight. And some of the more thick stems are going to need a little extra work, so I had to cut mine off with a knife.